Question 1. Common factors. Well, here we have a couple of worksheets. I would like you to copy these questions, do them yourself. Once you're done, then look into the solution. That will be a good way of learning. Okay. So here are 4 questions and each of these worksheets have 4 questions each. So make it a practice to first copy them, solve them yourself and then look for solution. Okay. Question 1. Common factors. A. 2x squared minus 6x. B. 4xy minus 2xz plus 8xz squared. C. 3a squared b cubed c plus 21a cubed bc cubed. D. 12x minus 3y plus 6c. So make a note of this, try it yourself and then see the solution. Here is how I will do them. 2x squared minus 6x. Now as far as numbers are concerned, 2 is common. So we'll say, well, 2 is common, we'll take 2 out. And x squared and x, so x is common, so we'll take x out. If we do that, we are left with 1x here and 6 divided by 2 is 3 minus 3. So that is how we are going to figure out what is the common factor and factor it out. Part B. 4, 2 and 8. So amongst the numbers, we see 2 is common, right? 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1, 2 times 4 is 8. So we take 2 common. Now in the variables x, x and x, so x is common. Well, so I'll put the bracket later. So we got 2 common and we got x also common, right? So we'll take x also. How about y's? Well, we have y here only, nowhere else. So nothing else is common, right? Z is only common between these two, but not in all. So we'll take 2x common and we're left with, we'll divide everything by 2x. 2y in the first case. If I take 2x common minus z in the second and 2x common, so I get plus 4z squared in the third. So that is what you get as the factored form. It is a factored form because you're multiplying something by the other, so it becomes factors. Now let's see here. 3, 21. 3 is common. 3 times 7 is 21. A square is common, then b is common and c is common. So we can factor out 3, a square, b and c. So once you do that, you get a square, b, so we are left with b square here, and in this case 21 divided by 3 is 7, a cube, so a left here, b you've already taken common, c square. That makes it c cube, right? So this is how you're going to factor c. As far as the number is concerned here, we see that 3 is common, so we can factor out 3 and the variables are different, so no variable can be factored. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so we get 4x minus y plus 2z. So that is the solution for part D. So this is the first sheet on factoring. Now we'll have a couple of sheets more to go so that you can learn different kinds of factorings, starting with common factors we just now did. And then we'll have some practice sheets on groups, factorings by groups. And then we'll see some trinomials, okay? All the best. Thank you.